What's the secret to selling your home faster and for more money? Stay with me as I give you 10 tips on selling your home. Today, I want to give you 10 tips that'll help you improve the sale of your home. Guys, I'm John Glassburner, Johnny Real Estate, your Chippewa Valley real estate guide. Now, guys, I'm going to give you these tips in no particular order except for number one. That one you got to stick around and find out because I think it's going to be the best one I give you. The first one, and you hear it all the time, is just declutter and depersonalize. When people walk into your home on any given day, you are sharing a piece of you. On your wall are going to be pictures of the people you love. On your refrigerator is going to be drawings from your kids. These things are about you and they tell your story and they're about your home. But when you sell your home, you want to empty that for people so that people can envision the house becoming theirs. So you're going to depersonalize. You're going to take down the things that tell your story and you're going to simplify. You're going to take away all the clutter, the things that hang out at the end table that should be in the junk drawer. You're going to take down the things that are on the fridge, clean it up. Everything needs to be depersonalized and decluttered so that people can see the home and envision themselves in it. The next one is similar to that one, but is also very important, and that's deep clean everything. When people come into a house to view the house, sometimes people take a deep inspection of things. That means they're going to look around the side of the fridge where you haven't cleaned in years. That means they're going to look at the windowsills and find the grub in there that hasn't been cleaned in years. So you're going to want to make sure that everything's deep clean, the windows are sparkling. That way, when people see your home, they don't see a mess, but they see a home they can envision themselves in. That also means putting the toilet seats down. Don't let anybody get an idea of a mess or garbage or get a bad idea for no reason about your home. Next, I'm going to tell you to make repairs. Those little things that you've been meaning to do for years, those little things that have been sitting there on your to-do list need to get done. The cracked window, the door that doesn't shut quite all the way. Those things need to be done. Make sure you've got new light bulbs in every light fixture so that when they turn on the lights, they can see the home properly. Little things need to be done because they will turn a buyer off in a heartbeat. While you're at it, you can do little things that improve your curb appeal. If you haven't edged the lawn, edge the lawn. If it's winter, make sure the snow is shoveled and cleared off. If you got plants or bushes that need to be taken care of, go out and take care of them. I'm not asking you to spend a lot of money here, but I'm asking you to kind of do the little things that usually are free, but that will improve the look of your home from the outside. This might also include cleaning the windows from the outside, cleaning the siding, having the house pressure washing the deck. You're going to want to pressure wash the patio as well as the driveway, get all that grub off the driveway and the patio, make it look very nice, make sure that lawn's mowed. On the inside of the house, I want you to walk around your house and take a look and see if there's rooms that you think could use a coat of paint. For example, is there places where kids have put their hands on the wall? I was once in a house where several kids had grown up, and along the hallway there was a dirt print mark, almost in a line where the kids would always drag their hands. It's really good to just throw a coat of paint on that hallway to make sure that that's gone and people can see a clean wall. You also want to look for rooms that you've painted extraordinary colors, like girls' rooms that you've painted pink or purple, boys' rooms where you painted them green or a bright blue, or other rooms in the house that you've painted dark like a burgundy. You're going to want to make those a neutral color. So spend a little time and a little money on paint and get those colors to a neutral color that will show your house off the best. While you're doing a little work on the house via repairs or a little bit of painting, I want you to look at the hardware in the kitchen and in the bathrooms as well as fixtures and see if there's some cheap ways that you can do a little updating. You can often go to a hardware store like Lowe's, Home Depot, or even Menards, and you can find bags of modern hardware that you can add to your cupboards that will make them look up to date and clean. While you're at it, you can also update some fixtures very cheaply as well that will add a nice, clean, updated feel to your home that will present it better to buyers. Now, as I said before, you're going to want to make sure all those light fixtures are working. Make sure you change those bulbs, but I also want you to take a look at the lighting that you have. Can you do some updates to the lighting so it presents better to a new buyer? If you can and you can afford to do so, it's something that will enhance your house quite a bit. While you're looking at fixtures, I also want you to think about optimizing lighting. That means updating the light bulbs so that they're brighter, not just making sure that they work, but making sure that they're brighter, and also looking at the light fixtures you have. Do you have rooms that don't have lamps or overhead lighting that are often dark in the evening? People come through your house in the evening, they're going to want to be able to see that room. So think about adding a lamp or two to that room so it enhances the lighting so people can see your house the best way possible. Now, the next thing I want you to do encompasses a lot of things that I've already talked about, but I want you to consider highlighting key features of your home. You have a fireplace that you want people to see? Is there furniture in the way? Consider rearranging it to open that space up, and think about the lighting that we've already talked about. Is there lighting that would enhance that feature? For example, I have lighting that's right over the top of my fireplace that aims down at my fireplace so you can see the pictures and whatnot over the top of it. Do you have huge windows that bring in excellent lighting in the house, but you have furniture in front of them or drapery that's in the way? Make sure that's open. Make sure the furniture might be moved so that it would enhance the room. It's important to highlight these key features and updates that you've done so that people can see them when they walk through your house and will potentially offer more based on those updates and key features. Now, the last one is going to help you with everything else, and that's consider hiring a home stager. A good home stager can work with your furniture or bring in furniture to an empty home and enhance it. Any good real estate agent will tell you that staging your home will not only bring in more money, but will also help it sell faster. My name is John Glassrunner, Johnny Real Estate. You can find me on all major social medias at Johnny Real Estate.